Hi there. In this video, I will briefly introduce the apps in all apps so that you can get a basic understanding of each one. The first one is Weather, which provides local weather information as a reference for planning outdoor events. The second is Finder, which is used to browse or manage files. The third is Theme. You can set the main screen theme here. The system provides a variety of themes, allowing you to easily change or replace the background image. The fourth is the Settings, used to adjust various system parameters. For detailed operations, please refer to the Settings tutorial video. The fifth is Screen Share, which allows wireless sharing of content to this screen. For detailed, please watch the Screen Share instructional video. The sixth is Cloud Drive. You can add your cloud storage, such as Google Drive or OneDrive account. The seventh is Game Center, which currently has no games available. The eighth is Note, an electronic whiteboard app that integrates whiteboard writing, document display, and multimedia playback. For detailed, please watch the Note instructional video. The ninth is Machine Check, which shows the device's running status and provides system cache cleaning functions. The 10th app is Browser, a built-in browser of the system that uses Google's Chromium Core. The 11th is Get Store, mainly used to reinstall the Google Play Store. The 12th is the Play Store, where you log in with your Google account to download and install new apps. The 13th is World Clock, which lets you add clocks for cities around the world. The last one is WPS Office, an office software that can view PPT, PDF, Word, and other documents. To learn more about the Settings Screen Share and Notes apps in detail, please watch their respective videos. Thank you for watching.